All right, here we go then. We'll do a gratuitous circle just because we can.
Why are we going in a circle?
Because it's fun. All right, here we go.
Go down there and then turn left and then...
Yeah, we do one! Circle with yellow lights because
All right. Ooh, it's windy going this direction. Upwind. We're crossing the horse path. It's a jackdaw. Another jackdaw. Chark, chark, chark. Another. Hello, Sir Jackdaw. Oh, that one was speckledy. Wonder if it was a young one.
Why?
It had a short tail and it was speckly.
Why are the speckly ones the young ones?
Young birds are often speckly because then they're harder to spot
Why?
when they're sitting in the nest. They don't look like birds, they just look like a bunch of leaves or twigs or branches or something.
And why are grown-up birds not spotted? Because they sometimes have to sit in the nest too.
That's true, they have to worry about being eaten by predators.
Yeah, but why? Yeah.
Because they are usually alert enough that they can fly away. And sometimes
Can you feel it?
I can feel you pedaling. The beautiful trees.
I think I might be pedaling faster than you.
I can certainly feel your pedaling. It's very helpful.
Now, that's where I go, alone paddling.
I love the trees in Windsor Great Park during the spring. And the birds. Now if we went straight ahead here, we'd get to the copper horse. Or as we called it recently, the proper copper horse.
Yeah.
Because that fellow was
But we don't
confused.
get to turn that way.
Hey, where's my stoker?
I'm stoking.
I heard you backpedaling there, you slacker.
Yeah, it's crazy backpedaling, isn't it?
The gate closed, so we're gonna go through the skinny gate.
Dad,
Uh-huh.
why do you think the regular gate is closed now, but the smaller gate is still open?
The big gate stays closed for most of the time. It only opens when a car goes through.
Yeah, because it's an automatic one.
That's right. Well, I'm not sure if it's automatic. I'm going to sneak through here just because it might be fun to tape, to record. We can let that car by too.
That was fun.
There's the Fox and Hounds, still under construction.
Dad,
Mm-hmm.
my helmet wasn't a little bit my head, so it's just a little bit too loose.
Well, we can tighten it up.
Yeah, but I really don't mind. Not very loose. Very loose. It
you hear the blackbird singing?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, here comes Crimp Hill Road.
You will be going pretty fast.
That's right.
I keep on pedaling.
Is that a wren going beep? I can't remember.
Oh, I saw ducks flying over that way.
A duck? Really?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't see it.
I think it was a mallard.
That's probable. I think they are the most common ducks. Certainly around here. Alright, enough of that uphill. It is. There's Ridgemead Road. That's how we came in.
Yes, the downhill stuff right after.
You ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna start off in the shadows. Here we go. Downhill.
Yeah!
A little bit. Here's Elton John's house. And little dower house. Nice little cottage. There's a parakeet. And here comes the Old Windsor border. Yep. There's rails. Yep. Here we go past the street light that has the family of blue tits living in it. Ching goes the chaffinch. Ching, ching. Ah, looks like somebody's got the royal wedding celebration flags out. A copper pot, the Union Inn. And the Oxford Blue had theirs out too. There's our house. Sleep, says the little sparrow. Sleep. Now, right turn onto Burfield Road. And we'll do a tour around by the Fox and Castle.
Oh, there for the one.
Oh, they took the pony ride away. No more pony ride. Happy Royal Wedding Day at the Fox and Castle. How can I get out? Right over here. Hi. Tidy business for Sean today at the Fox and Castle. Home sweet home. All right. We made it. All right. Bye-bye, everybody.